Now, in order to write solid answers to those questions, you need to actually have a good profile. So when you talk about a good profile, what do you even mean by it? So your profile consists of 5 odd things. So first up is your academic performance. So once again, going by the batch of 26, the average GPA there was 3.69. Now in the US, it is on a scale of 4. So it's an equivalent of, but if you look at the range, it would typically start from 3.3 and then go pretty high. Okay, so if I convert it into Indian schemata, we are basically talking about, say, a score of 77% plus, right? So anything below that or below 75% can at times create some doubts in the mind of the admission committee. Additionally, the academic background that you have would also matter. So if you typically see, almost 80% of the batch belongs to these 6 branches, out of which I'd say around 42% belong to these 3, and another 40% would typically belong to the other 3: engineering, math, and physical sciences. So that's almost 82% of your batch, or 80% of the batch, to put it simply. The rest of it would obviously come from people who are from arts and humanities background and social science background. So on the face of it, it appears that if you belong to these areas, your probability of going there is higher. But the truth is, when you bring in the diversity to the batch as an art and humanities student, even that is valued a lot. But then it does not mean that your background would give you an advantage or a disadvantage. Do keep in mind that B schools would typically compare you against others from a similar background. So if you stand out within that crowd, your probability will be higher.